Here are the top 5 Vaseline hacks that no one tells you about. On number 1, we have got glass skin glow. Take a tiny bit of Vaseline and tap it on your cheekbones, eyelids, and on your nose. Instant glossy Korean glass skin look and zero makeup needed. Hack number 2, thicker lashes and brows. Apply a thin layer on your lashes and brows every single night when you're going to sleep. It makes them look fuller, darker, and super healthy. Hack number 3, juice your lips overnight. Mix Vaseline with a little sugar, scrub your lips for 10 seconds, then wipe and apply plain Vaseline again. Wake up with a baby soft juicy lips. Hack number 4, makes perfume last longer. Rub a tiny bit of Vaseline on your wrist and neck before spraying perfume. Your scent will last hours longer than it usually lasts. And the last hack, rub the tiniest amount of Vaseline between your fingers and lightly glide it along your hairline and flyaways. It gives that clean, slick, expensive model look without gel, and it keeps baby hair in place all day. Try this hack today and thank me later. Like, subscribe, and drop a kiss if you want more glow up tips.